Friends, today's topic is Sita and Lakshmana's real character, and Lakshman Rekha is real or fake. So let's start. This is Puri Critical Valmiki Ramayana book, chapter 3, Aranyakand. Sita heard an afflicted voice in the forest and knew that it was like that of her husband's. So friends, if you want to see our previous videos, then click the channel name or picture below the video, then go to the video or playlist option and press the red subscribe option and press the bell icon for my latest video updates. She told Lakshmana, go and find out about Raghava. The breath of life is disturbed in my heart. I have heard that terrible sound of someone screaming extremely grievously. Your brother is screaming in the forest and you should save him. Rush to your brother, he is looking towards you as refugee. You may be distressed under the subjugation of Rakshasas like a bull amidst lions. Through he was addressed in this way, he abided by his brother's instructions and did not leave. At this, Janaka's daughter angrily told him, O Saumitri, O Lakshmana, in the disguise of being a friend to your brother, you are his enemy. Even through your brother is in such a state, you are not going towards him. O Lakshmana, because of me, you desire Rama's destruction. I think you love the idea of his facing a difficulty. You have no affection for your brother, therefore, you are not considering the immensely radiant one and remain here. Nonchalant, since you remain here with me, do you doubt that he is facing a difficulty? He is the leader who has brought you here. How can it be your duty to remain here? Her voice choking with tears of torment, Videhi, Sita said this. Sita was like a terrified sea deer, and Lakshmana told her, O queen, in an encounter, Rama is like a Vashava among gods, men, Gandharvas, Rakshasas, Pisachas, birds, kinners, animals, and terrible demons, Danavas. There is no one who can stand up to him. Rama cannot be killed in a battle. You should not speak in this way. In Raghava's absence, I am not interested in leaving you here in this forest. His strength is invincible and he is stronger than the strongest. Even if the three worlds with the lords and the immortals arise against him, you should cast aside the torment that is there in your heart. Having slain the supreme Amudir, your husband will arrive soon. It is evident that it wasn't his voice or that of a divinity. The Rakshasas are foremost among those who use Maya, like a city of the Gandharvas. O Videhi, you have been left as a trust. The great soul Rama has left you as a trust. O beautiful lady, I am not interested in leaving you here. O fortunate one, we have performed an act of enmity against those who roam around in the night. O queen, we did that through Khara's death and the destruction of Janasthana in the great forest. The Rakshasas speak in many kinds of voices. O Videhi, O Sita, they find sports in violence. You should not think about this. Addressed by Lakshmana in this way, her eyes turned red with rage. She spoke these harsh words to Lakshmana, who was truthful in speech. O ignoble one, O one who lacks compassion, O cruel one, O worst of your lineage, I think that you love me, and that is the reason you have spoken in this way. O Lakshmana, wicked and cruel ones always act in a colorful way towards their rivals and hide their true character. Since you have alone followed Rama into the forest, you are extremely wicked. You have disguised this for my sake, or perhaps you have been engaged by Bharata. Rama is as dark as a blue lotus and his eyes are like lotuses. Which such a person as my husband, how can I desire an ordinary person? O Saumitri, O Lakshman, there is no doubt that I will give up my life in your presence. Without Rama, I will not remain alive on this earth even for an instant. Sita spoke these harsh words that made the body hair stand up. So Lakshmana, who had conquered his senses, joined his hands in salutation, and addressed Sita. I am not interested in giving you a reply. You are like a divinity to me, O Maithili, O Sita. It is not surprising that women should use such contrary words. It can be seen in the words that this is the innate nature of woman. They are separated from dharma, they are fickle, they are fierce. Women cause desertion. All those who roam around in the forest are witnesses to what I have heard. Through I spoke to you in words that were appropriate. You addressed me harshly. Same on you now. Since you have suspected me in this way because of the wicked nature of women, you will be ruined. Ruined. So this is the real character of Sita and Lakshmana. Okay, you can read it again. I have only followed the commands of my senior, O one with the beautiful face. May you be fortunate. I will go where Rama is, O large-eyed one. Let all the divinities of the forest collectively protect you. I can see terrible portents manifesting themselves when I return again with Rama. I hope I can see you. Addressed by Lakshmana in this way, Janaka's daughter started to weep, her voice choking with tears. She replied in these fierce words, O Lakshmana, without Rama, I will blind myself and enter the waters of the Godavari, or I will fling my body down from a high place, I will consume terrible poison, or I will enter the fire other than Raghava. I will never touch another man with my foot. Sita, full of sorrow, spoke to Lakshmana in this way, weeping and miserable. She struck her stomach with her hands. She form was afflicted and distressed. She was crying. He tried to reassure her about her husband and his brother, but Sita did not say anything. Lakshmana then greeted Sita. He joined his hands in salutation and bowed down a little. The one who was in control of his soul glanced several times towards Maithili, means Sita, and then leapt towards Rama. And next chapter 44. Raghuva's younger brother was angry at these harsh words. Though he was extremely eager to see Rama, there was no hurry for that. However, he leapt. Dasgriva swiftly seized the opportunity and approached. So, friends, this is the proof that Lakshman Rekha is fake. There is no mention in this original Ramayana about Lakshman Rekha. So Lakshman Rekha is fake.